What's the meaning of cheroot? Cheroot. Cheroot.
Cheroot. Cheroot. A cheroot is a type of cigar with a tapered shape that is open at both ends. It is typically shorter and thinner than a regular cigar and is often associated with the American West. The word cheroot comes from the French word cheroot, which means a type of pipe. Smoking a cheroot delivers a strong, pungent flavor and aroma, and may be an acquired taste for some. However, for those who enjoy them, cheroots provide a satisfying smoking experience and can be a unique addition to any tobacco collection.